Okay, here we are at New World Timber this morning. Today we're just going to talk about two products that are very popular within our market. That is the Birch ply and the Poplar ply. One thing that we're going to give you a close-up on at the moment is the Birch ply, and the key feature within the Birch that people enjoy is the phenolic glue layer. Okay, so that is what gives you, if you can see there closely, you have the black line between each lamination of the Birch ply. The black line is the phenolic glue. That gives it the characteristic that a lot of kitchen manufacturers will have enjoy on the board. It's a very, very durable board. Can be used internally and externally. Obviously, if you're using the board as an external product, we always recommend that you coat it accordingly, seal all edges and all faces. What we're going to do now, we're just going to move over to the faces of the two boards, the Poplar and the Birch ply, and I'll just give you some further information on that. So if you just follow this way. Okay, now we're going to talk about the individual boards. We've got the Birch ply. Okay, this comes in a range of thicknesses from 0.8mm to 30mm. Okay, the 0.8 and the 1.5 is also known as an aero ply. It is a BR grade. Okay, the 4mm to 24mm, or to 30mm, sorry, is a 2440 by 1220 or a 3050 by 1525. Now what you have is a long grain or a cross grain board within the Birch ply. Okay, the long grain is the 2440 by 1220, which means the staves run the length of the board. It can also be produced in certain instances, predominantly in the 3050 by 1525. This board is always produced as a cross grain. So the veneer leaf will run the width of the board, not the length. Something to bear in mind on those 3050 sheets. Okay, one of the key features, we can carry this in two grades. We have the BB/BB, or in certain instances we can carry a B/BB. The key feature within the grade is the plugs. Okay, there are different types of plugs that are put into the board. This particular one here is a very good example of what we call a jigsaw plug. You can also have a disc within it. Now what you must bear in mind, Birch ply is a constructional board. It is not produced as a cosmetic board. So the plug is not deemed as a defect. It may cosmetically change the board, but structurally it does not. Okay? What you'll find is on one face there will always be more plugs than the other on a BB/BB, but if you're looking for a B only, B/BB, one face will be clearer plugs. It always has a really nice colour and texture within it, even in colour and texture. Used very, very often, as we've said before, within kitchen manufacturing and what have you. One of the key features as well is the multi-lamination. Within an 18mm ply, you have a 13-ply lamination within that board. Okay, then we move on to the Poplar ply. Okay, the Poplar ply is slightly different in dimension. It is a 250 by 1220. Okay, we can carry this from 9mm to 25mm within board thicknesses, subject to stock and availability. Always give us an inquiry on that. Poplar ply is an internal board because the glue line is a clear glue line, so it's only used for internal uses. The key feature is its weight. A 18mm Birch ply is 38 kilos per board, whereas the Poplar ply is 22 kilos. Significant loss of weight there. So if you're using this for wardrobes, things of that nature, where you want to get them upstairs, shelves, anywhere weight is an issue, this is a very, very good construction. Paints well, plug free, very even in colour and texture. I think you'll be very, very pleased within that product. Okay, that's just a little example of two of the boards we have within our range. Have a great day today. Thank you very much.